Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am super excited to share with you all about this amazing ultrasonic cleaner for jewelry. If you are someone who loves to keep your valuables sparkling clean, then this is the perfect product for you. First of all, let me tell you about the 640 milliliters large capacity of this ultrasonic cleaner. It can easily accommodate the cleaning of various items such as glasses, jewelry, and dentures in your daily life. With its strong cleaning power and a frequency of 48 kHz and 40 W power, this machine can smoothly clean small stains, leaving your precious items looking as good as new. Not only that, but this ultrasonic cleaner is also multifunctional, which means you can use it for a wide range of products including glasses, dentures, jewelry, and even tooth retainers. The two different time modes it offers gives you the flexibility to choose the cleaning time you want, making it convenient and easy to use. The high-end waterproof surface finishing ensures durability while providing a great tactile feeling, making it a long-lasting investment for your cleaning needs. So, if you're someone who values cleanliness and wants to keep your valuables in top-notch condition, I highly recommend checking out this ultrasonic cleaner for jewelry. You can find the link to purchase this amazing product in the description box below. Trust me, you won't regret it, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome product reviews and tips on keeping your belongings clean and shiny. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.